back to my channel. Today I'll be doing another TAOBAO haul. This is one of my shopping items, so I will open it together. It's quite light. I sent it by air this time, but it got delayed because of all the Chinese New Year. Because it's a very big thing in China, right? So they stop all delivery for a few days before they started working again. So they took some time to deliver the items to the shipyard. Not shipyard, whatever the place that they will send the items. Ooh! Nice panties! Not gonna show you guys, not gonna take out and show you guys, but yeah, I bought 4 pieces of panties. Okay, so the next item will be some color contact lenses. One is let me just open. I bought 2 different colors. I read the review. I mean, y'all would think that it's like not very safe to buy China contact lenses, right? But I read the review. People said that they are good. So I bought like a pinkish lens and a brown one. But both look like brown to me. Just a darker and a lighter one. It's long and it's comfortable. And can be hot. This one is oh yes, these are the pants, like the khaki pants that my hubby is looking forward, because previously he bought 2 and then the person recommended the sizing, because we weren't very sure about the sizing. So the person recommended, and when it came, it was slightly bigger. So everybody that if you want to buy like short khakis, right, like this, just buy your original size. It's okay, don't need to buy like 1 size bigger, because the person recommended 1 size bigger but it was too loose, so he had to wear like his belt, so he didn't really like it. So he bought one green this time, one beige, and one like coffee brown, slightly different. See, yeah. So I bought 2 sets of socks, like the high ankle socks. Ooh, nice. So 3 pairs of Nike ones, and then 3 pairs of Adidas. Not sure if it's like authentic, but nobody will know. So you just wear it. Now it's like a trend to wear it with like sneakers or sandals, so it's good. Okay, so I'm just gonna try the 2 socks that I bought for you guys to see. I really put it on. This is how it looks. I think the Adidas one looks nicer, right? Fat leg shaking. Some of the nail art that I bought. This one is, there are all the mini chains in silver, dark grey, gold and rose gold. Super pretty. It's like when you do a nail art, right? Maybe you can like stick it around the nail or whatever. Look at my pretty nails. Just saying. Okay, so I bought this, and then I bought some nail forms. It will be my first time using it, so I will do another video on this, and I'll let you guys know whether this or the press-on nail form is better. Stay tuned, yeah. And also, I bought a cuticle oil, so you just need to twist and then just apply on your. Smells like artificial peach. After you've done all your nail art, it'll be like very dry at the side, right? You can just apply. I'm gonna use this later because I don't have one. I usually, after I do my nail art, I just put some lotion. Okay, so this is gonna be a very short video because I'm already on my last item. Organizer, I think. Wow, yes, this. So, because our toilet, right, we have the cabinet under the sink. It's always very messy. We have a lot of like detergents, floor detergent, toilet bowl detergent, all the other like random stuff, and like everything is just like scattered around under the sink. So we decided to buy some organizers. This is like 3 of the slim ones, and then 3 of the big ones. I can't do this shit. I can't separate this, so I'll just show you guys like that. Then also, oh, they gave us a freebie. Who else likes freebie like me? So this apparently is an antibacterial mask case. So you can just keep a mask inside instead of putting it on your arm or like putting it on the seat or anywhere. This is like more hygienic. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video. If you guys like this video, remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!